Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day so far. Just a few reminders before we dive in. Links to all the jobs will be in the description box below. So if you're interested in applying, you can click the link and put your application in. I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So I have no additional information outside of what is posted in the job description. And as always, if these job leads are not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, any education or experience that you have, because I'm always keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Randstad acts kind of like a temporary staffing agency. They have companies come to them looking for hiring people, and they match people with jobs that they are qualified for. They are looking for a contract specialist to work remote from home. Now, this is going to be, again, a temporary position. This is for my United States folks only. And this one is a little bit different. Most job leads that I share appeal to the masses and don't require any college degree or anything. This one is for those of you a little bit more specialized. This one is going to require a bachelor degree or a 4-year college degree, but it does pay very well. Starting pay is anywhere from $68.36 an hour all the way up to $73.36 an hour. So they are looking for people to work for a Fortune 100 social media company as a contract specialist. Their contract specialist will provide strategic negotiation, risk assessment, and management and contract drafting to support to Meta infrastructure sourcing teams. So you will review and lead in developing key terms in inbound agreements and efforts to optimize contract language, including but not limited to master component purchase agreements, master professional service agreements, and complex engineering statements of work. You'll foster and develop a strong relationship with the sourcing specialist, legal department, and other partners. You'll also lead and partner with cross-functional teams and ensure compliance with Meta policies and practices. And so if you don't know, Meta is a social media company that owns Facebook, Instagram, as well as other big social media apps and companies. They are looking for someone who has skills in sourcing, master service agreements, contracts, negotiating skills, supply chain skills, and project administration. They do want someone who has 6 years of experience. If you scroll all the way down to the page, there is some contact information for the recruiter that is specifically recruiting for this job if you want to reach out to them for more information. If you found this job lead or any other job leads that I share helpful, please do me a favor and thumbs up button this video. Also share it with your friends and family. That gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. And as always, thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.